For my next video, I'd like to do one on Samsung's new Galaxy S10 Ultra tablet. This will also work on the S10 Plus, the S9 Ultra, the S9 Plus, the S8, the S7, anything that's running One UI 6, 6.1, 6.1.1. Okay, and that is, there's apps when you start them, and I'll just give you an example. It's Facebook. When your tablet is on the keyboard, like mine is right now, and it's not up and down, it's not horizontal, it's vertical, I open my YouTube app, I'm sorry, my Facebook app, and you'll see everything's on its side, which does me absolutely no good when I have my keyboard, my tablet on. I have to turn it. So there's a way to fix that. Okay, so what we'll do is we'll go into settings, which there it just turned on its side, and you want to go into your settings and scroll down to advanced features. Okay, and I was already there actually, so I cheated a little bit. So advanced features, go to what's called labs, and then scroll down where it says landscape view for portrait apps. And that's what you want right there, is the landscape view for portrait apps. Okay, so go ahead, we'll tap on that. And now, just like it says landscape view for portrait apps, it forces apps that normally only support portrait view, which again, Facebook is a perfect example, to display in landscape view when your tablet is being held horizontally. You can choose to keep the app's original aspect ratio or stretch to fill the whole screen. So let's go ahead and go to our Facebook. And now when we open Facebook, there it is. It's straight up and down. So it makes a big difference when you're using the keyboard and you don't want to be turning your app left to right. Then you can also do full screen, and I don't know if that's going to make any difference here or not. Oh, it does actually. So now it also will open it up and down, and then also full screen. So that's something that's a little bit extra there, that you can do them both at the same time. So that's my video on how to use landscape view for portrait apps, and then also filling them out to, once they're on, of course, you can do full screen or the app default. So that's my video. I hope you found my video to be helpful. Thank you for being here. Please click like and subscribe to my channel. Leave me a comment down below. Thank you for your time, and until next time, I'm out.